Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're learning Slovak as an English speaker, you might find yourself making some common mistakes along the way. Today I'm here to help you avoid these 7 big mistakes that English speakers often make when speaking Slovak. We'll break down each mistake, explain why it happens, and show you how to correct it. By the end of this video, you'll be speaking Slovak more confidently and accurately. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Incorrect use of noun cases. One common mistake English speakers make is incorrectly using Slovak noun cases. Unlike English, Slovak uses noun cases to indicate the role of a noun in a sentence. This can be tricky because English relies more on word order. Example 1. I see the car in the park. Vidím auto v park. Vidím auto v park. Correction. The noun case for auto should be accusative and park should be locative. The correct sentence is Vidím auto v parku. Vidím auto v parku. Example 2. I'm giving coffee to Marek. Dávam kávu Marek. Correction. The noun Marek should be in the dative case. The correct sentence is Dávam kávu Marekovi. Dávam kávu Marekovi. Explanation. Always make sure to use the correct case based on the noun's function. For the direct object, use accusative case. For locations or topics, use the locative case. For recipients or beneficiaries, use the dative case. Additional tip: practice with simple sentences and gradually incorporate more cases as you become comfortable. Mistake number 2. Misplacing adjectives. In Slovak, adjectives generally come before the noun, unlike in English where they can come after the noun in certain contexts. Example mistake. Chcem najlepšiu izbu voľnú. Chcem najlepšiu izbu voľnú. I want the best room available. Correction. The adjective should precede the noun. Chcem najlepšiu voľnú izbu. Chcem najlepšiu voľnú izbu. Remember that adjectives usually go before the noun they describe in Slovak, and ensure they match the noun in gender, number, and case. Practice placing adjectives correctly by reading Slovak texts and paying attention to adjective-noun order. Mistake number 3. Confusing L and L sounds. English speakers often mix up the Slovak sounds L and L. The L sound is more palatal and has a different pronunciation than the regular L. L. Example 1. Kľúč, key, pronounced as kľúč. Correction. The correct pronunciation is kľúč with a soft L sound. Example 2. Ľudia, people, pronounced as ľudia. Correction. The correct pronunciation is ľudia with the soft L sound. The L sound is softer and pronounced with the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. Practice by listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation. Use online pronunciation tools or apps to practice these sounds and get feedback on your pronunciation. Mistake number 4. Incorrect verb conjugation. English speakers sometimes struggle with verb conjugations in Slovak. as verb change based on tense and person. Example 1. Ja hovorím angličtina. I speak English. Correction. The correct sentence should be Ja hovorím po anglicky. Ja hovorím po anglicky. Example 2. Ty čítal knihu. You read the book. Correction. For the correct conjugation, use Ty si čítal knihu. Ty si čítal knihu. In Slovak, you use the preposition po with the adverbial form of the language, and verbs are conjugated according to the subject. Regularly review verb conjugation tables and practice with different tenses and subjects. Mistake number 5. Using a instead of a for and. English speakers might mistakenly use a as if it is the same as a and in Slovak. They are actually different words with distinct meanings. Example: Jem a jablko a banány. I eat apple and bananas. Correction. It should be Jem jablko a banány. I eat an apple and bananas. Explanation. A means and in Slovak, and it connects words or phrases. Make sure not to confuse it with other words that look similar. Practice using conjugations by constructing simple sentences and ensuring correct conjugation usage. Mistake number 6. Overusing direct translation. Directly translating phrases from English to Slovak can lead to awkward or incorrect expressions. Slovak has its own idiomatic expressions and sentence structures. Example 1. I am cold. Translated as som studený. Som studený. The correct expression is Je mi zima. Je mi zima. Each language has unique ways of expressing feelings and ideas. Learn common Slovak phrases and idiomatic expressions to sound more natural. Practice by immersing yourself in Slovak media and using native expressions. Mistake number 7. Forgetting formal versus informal speech. In Slovak, it's important to distinguish between formal and informal speech, especially when addressing people you don't know well or those in higher positions. Example 1. Ahoj, čo robíš? Hi, what are you doing? Used in formal setting. For formal situation, use Dobrý deň, čo robíte? Dobrý deň, čo robíte? Good day, what are you doing? Example 2. Čau, ako sa máš? How are you? Used with someone older or in a formal setting. For formal situations, use Dobrý deň, ako sa máte? Dobrý deň, ako sa máte? Good day, how are you? Use ahoj and čo robíš for informal settings and dobrý deň and čo robíte for formal contexts. Pay attention to how formal and informal language is used in Slovak conversations and adjust accordingly. Recap and practice. To recap, here are the 7 big mistakes English speakers make in Slovak. First, incorrect use of noun cases. Second, misplacing adjectives. Third, confusing l and l sounds. Fourth, incorrect verb conjugation. Fifth, using a instead of a for and. Sixth, overusing direct translation. And seventh, forgetting formal versus informal speech. And that's a wrap on the common mistakes English speakers make in Slovak. I hope this video helps you avoid these mistakes and improve your Slovak skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you next time!